Most people see an advertisement for free money and immediately look for the exit. It is a survival instinct developed after years of internet pop-ups and empty promises. But then you stumble across a platform that has been sitting in the same corner of the web since the late 2000s. It does not promise to make you a millionaire by next Tuesday. It does not ask for your bank account password up front. Instead, it offers a trade, your time for their points. These points can be turned into cold, hard cash or gift cards for the stores you already visit. It sounds suspicious until you look at the mechanics of the digital economy. Every single brand on the planet is fighting for your attention. They want to know what you buy. They want to know why you buy it. They want to know if you would consider switching to their rival. This platform acts as a bridge between you and those curious corporations. When you take a survey about orange juice, the juice company pays for that data. The platform takes a piece of that money and gives the rest to you. It is a simple business model that has resulted in hundreds of millions of dollars being paid out over the last decade and a half. You can earn by scanning your grocery receipts or even just by searching the web. Some people play mobile games to hit certain milestones for a reward. Others just use it for cash back when they shop for holiday gifts. The catch is not a hidden fee or a stolen identity. The catch is the rate of pay. You are not going to replace your 9-to-5 job by clicking on surveys during your lunch break. This is a slow, steady grind. It is a way to earn a little extra for a rainy day or a few free cups of coffee. If you go into it thinking it is a shortcut to wealth, you will be deeply disappointed. If you view it as a way to monetize your downtime, it is a legitimate tool. You are essentially a micro-consultant for the world's biggest brands. You are selling your opinions and your shopping habits in small, bite-sized chunks. It is a transparent exchange of value. The company gets the data they need to market products. You get a digital reward that eventually hits your digital wallet. It is a grind that requires patience and realistic goals. No one is getting rich here. People are just finding a way to make their internet usage slightly more productive. It is the ultimate side hustle for someone who has more time than they have spare cash. It is not a scam. It is just a very small-scale digital labor market. You provide the input, and they provide the payout. It is as simple and as unglamorous as that. Just keep your feet on the ground and your expectations in check. If you have a few minutes to spare, it might be worth a look. If you are looking for a miracle, keep looking elsewhere. This is just a steady, honest exchange of time for tokens. You are exchanging your attention for a tangible reward. It rewards consistency over intensity. You might spend a month collecting enough for one meal out. For some, that is a victory. For others, it is not worth the effort. The value is entirely up to you, but the platform itself is the real deal. It has survived the test of time because it actually follows through. It is a middleman that found a way to make data collection feel like a game. You are the player, the product, and a beneficiary all at once. Just remember that your time is the most valuable thing you own. Make sure you are happy with the price you are getting for it. If you are, then this is a perfectly safe way to pad your wallet.